Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Your body possesses an innate ability to heal itself. This remarkable power is constantly at work, repairing damage, fighting off infections, and maintaining balance. However, modern lifestyles often disrupt this natural healing process. Chronic stress, poor diet, lack of exercise, and environmental toxins can overwhelm our bodies, leading to various health issues. Many people experience chronic pain, poor circulation, and posture problems. These issues can significantly impact our quality of life, making everyday tasks challenging and enjoyable experiences uncomfortable. While conventional medicine often focuses on treating symptoms with medications, a holistic approach that addresses the root cause of these problems is crucial. By understanding the principles of natural healing and implementing simple lifestyle changes, we can support our body's inherent ability to restore balance and well-being. This journey starts with recognizing the interconnectedness of our physical, mental, and emotional health. When we address these aspects in harmony, we unlock our body's true healing potential. The body balance technique is a holistic approach to natural healing that emphasizes restoring the body's natural alignment and flow of energy. This gentle yet powerful technique draws inspiration from ancient healing practices and modern scientific understanding. The body balance technique is not a quick fix, but a journey of self-discovery and gentle adjustments. It empowers individuals to take control of their health by addressing the root causes of imbalances rather than merely managing symptoms. It emphasizes the importance of posture, circulation, and detoxification in achieving optimal well-being. By addressing these fundamental aspects, the body balance technique aims to restore harmony within the body, allowing it to heal naturally and thrive. This technique is for anyone seeking a natural and sustainable approach to health and well-being, regardless of age or physical condition. Proper posture and optimal circulation are essential for overall health and vitality. Posture is more than just standing up straight. It reflects the alignment of our musculoskeletal system. Poor posture can lead to muscle imbalances, back pain, neck pain, headaches, and even digestive issues. Circulation, the flow of blood throughout our body, is equally crucial. It delivers oxygen and nutrients to our cells and removes waste products. Poor circulation can manifest as cold hands and feet, fatigue, muscle cramps, and slow wound healing. The body balance technique addresses these interconnected aspects using gentle exercises, stretches, and lifestyle modifications. By improving posture, we optimize the functioning of our internal organs and enhance circulation, which allows for better nutrient delivery and waste removal. This holistic approach promotes self-healing by creating an internal environment where the body can thrive. Simple exercises for enhanced well-being. The body balance technique emphasizes the importance of incorporating simple yet effective exercises into your daily routine. These exercises don't require special equipment or hours of your time. First, walking. Engage in a brisk walk for at least 30 minutes daily to improve circulation, boost your mood, and enhance cardiovascular health. Second, deep breathing. Practice deep belly breathing exercises for a few minutes several times a day to calm the nervous system, increase oxygen intake, and reduce stress. Third, stretching. Incorporate gentle stretches into your routine to improve flexibility, reduce muscle tension, and promote relaxation. By consistently incorporating these simple exercises into your daily life, you can significantly impact your overall health and well-being. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to experiencing the long-term benefits of these practices. Real-life transformations through body balance. Countless individuals have experienced remarkable transformations in their health and well-being by embracing the principles of the body balance technique. Many have reported significant reductions in chronic pain, improved posture, increased energy levels, and a greater sense of overall well-being. For instance, Sarah, a former sufferer of chronic back pain, found lasting relief after incorporating the body balance technique into her life. By diligently practicing the exercises and making simple lifestyle adjustments, she could manage her pain without relying on medication. Similarly, John, who struggled with poor circulation and fatigue, experienced significant improvements after adopting the technique's principles. His energy levels soared and his circulation improved dramatically. These stories are a testament to the transformative power of the body balance technique and its ability to empower individuals to reclaim their health. Your journey to natural healing starts today. Embarking on the path to natural healing is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. The body balance technique provides a roadmap for unlocking your body's innate healing capabilities and achieving lasting well-being. Remember that small changes can have a significant impact. Start by incorporating one or two of the 6 principles into your daily routine. Gradually add more as you become more comfortable. Listen to your body and honor its wisdom. You are your own best healer, and the power to transform your health lies within you. We encourage you to share this information with your loved ones and start your journey toward natural healing today. Leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts, experiences, and questions. If you're interested in the ultimate 3-day detox cleanse to reset your body and boost your energy fast, don't forget to watch this video. It's packed with simple, effective tips to help you detox naturally, improve digestion, and feel revitalized in just 3 days. Click play now and start your journey to a healthier you.